everyone, my name is Deanda, and today I want to tell you the best type of paper to use if you are making a DIY planner. I'm a second grade teacher and I am going to be making my own planner for the first time this year. So I wanted to make sure that I got a really good quality of paper. Last year I used the Happy Planner teacher planner that looks like this, and so I did a little bit of research to figure out what's the right type of paper to get. I knew that I would be printing out front and back and also using my InkJoy gel pens, and I don't want that to bleed through. And so in doing all my research, I found some paper on Amazon, and it looks like it's not easy to get this paper just anywhere. And so I do have the link for the paper down below. And so let me show you. This is the full ream of paper, and it's actually only 250 sheets. It looks like 500, but that's because this paper is thicker. Now it's kind of like cardstock, but it's not as, it's more flexible than cardstock. So it's kind of easier to bend, whereas cardstock is just very, it's not exactly. And so it's also heavier than regular copy paper. And I know this is the perfect paper because I did a writing test, which I'm going to show you right now. And I used my InkJoy gel pen. I have one right here in purple. So let's just write, what's the paper? Where's the paper I already used? Okay, so let's write my name, my nickname here. So here we have D. Yeah, this is the InkJoy gel pen. And when we flip it over, nothing. The back is blank and clear, no bleed through. And then I tried my Staedtler fine liner pen. Will that focus? There. So let's try this one. No bleed through on the back. And then a Sharpie ultra fine point marker. Okay, so with my Sharpie ultra fine point marker, you write my name again. And on the back is no bleed through. So this is the perfect paper. It might be something that you forget to consider when you're making your own planner, but you don't want to go through all the trouble of downloading all the pages. Some people even create their own. That's something I would love to do. I just don't have the time right now. But you don't want to go through all the trouble of making this custom planner and then printing it on crappy paper and the ink starts bleeding through, or when you're actually printing front and back, or your pen starts bleeding through. So this is the perfect paper. Like I said, again, it's linked down below. It's 100-pound paper. I don't quite understand all the paper weights and all that stuff, but I did do my research, and this is a good type of paper to use. So I'm going to be making a video soon showing how I put my teacher planner together. It only cost $1.83 on Etsy. I will also have that linked below. It was on sale, so I don't know if it would still be on sale now. It's kind of like a dupe of the Happy Planner. And yeah, so I'm going to be sharing that soon, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.